The markets are mostly red right now. It is time to pay attention. Just about some weeks ago, there was a whole slew of people on social media telling you about crypto. And as of now, those people suddenly are in hibernation. And this is what happens all the time, folks. When the markets go up, everybody talks about crypto. When they go down, well, nobody wants to talk about crypto because it seems somewhat embarrassing. And what you could take from this is to only listen to people who talk about crypto both in its peaks and in its troughs. Now, earlier on today, I gave you this chart right here on Telegram. And what this chart actually shows us is we are in a region where BTC would mostly consolidate before some type of big move. Now, it is impossible to know how long that consolidation can be. But what we can see is that before or after BTC breaks its all-time high, it consolidates before the ginormous and explosive move. It happened here in 2017 and took off. By takeoff, we are talking about a 14x. It also happened here in 2020 and also took off. And of course, this time around, the takeoff was smaller. This now in 2024 is the next time that we get to see that type of accumulation. What's interesting about all of these accumulation levels is it tends to happen after BTC breaks its previous all-time high. So as it breaks this all-time high right here, it comes back to the downside and starts to consolidate. Same thing here. Breaks this all-time high right here, comes slightly back down to the downside right here and starts to consolidate before a move to the upside. That's exactly what we are seeing at this particular region. We broke the all-time high right here and put in a high at 73k, exactly 73,800, and then came back to the downside as low as 60k. 60k is a zone that I actually did forecast that will happen. Now, we are still consolidating back to the upside. This means that we actually have a range between 73.8 to 60k, 60.2. It is a range. But because there is a lot of uncertainty in that range, the prices of your favorite altcoins turn to plummet. It happens like so as investors sell their investments in altcoins back into BTC in fears that there could be a crash, a macro crash. But what we have to know is that you will 100% regret not buying enough in the explosive phase of the bull market than buying a top now. So, my dear friends, keep holding strong. The time will come for us to enjoy the fruits of our labor.